Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. So I found this Welly diecast Mclaren 675 LT in a hardware store and I have to grab it. It's already open as you can see, and it's a 1:60, not a 1:64 like most of the casting. I don't know, Welly always did like slightly different sizes. So let's check it out and see how does it look. It's slightly different from Hot Wheels when it comes to the design and everything. So the first thing you will notice, the green paint, the painted headlamp, and the black wheels, which are rubber surprisingly. Okay, so let's start from the front. Up front you got the Mclaren badge, painted headlamps, no major details there, but still these are painted, that's a good thing. You can see the grille up front, the air intakes. Also the windshield actually has a good design to it, like the actual car. You can see the black surround all over, wiper. Got both the mirrors, that's good. Coming to the side, driver side actually. Again, rubber wheels, which I wasn't expecting. I thought it might be something like plastic, but that's surprising. Even the wheels look decent on it. It's not really fancy chrome or anything, which is good. Side profile, again, it's a two-door, no window here. You can see how the body line follows it. If you see it from the top, you can see the fuel filler cap here. You can see the engine there. It's obviously a mid-engine car. Some vents. Spoiler here. Detailed tail lamps, again, good thing. Again, you can see the diffuser, exhaust tips, which are not painted, but you can paint it if you want. Passenger side, almost identical, just missing the fuel filler cap. The interior is done in black. It looks kind of decent. No major details there, obviously. It's all black. And the base, it's almost flat, plastic base. So, what do you think about this one? Does it look better than the Hot Wheels one? I think only if the headlamps were slightly better, it would have looked really good. Apart from that, it's a decent casting and looks good. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching.